Hello student, this video is for class 7. Poem is The Cherry Tree, written by Ruskin Bond. In this poem, the poet has compared the journey of human life to the journey of a tree. The poet wanted to say that like a plant, human has to go through various hardships and struggles at different stages of life. So the poet wanted to say that we should not give up and we should face the difficulties like a tree which suffers various natural problems but never gives up. So let's start the poem. 8 years have passed since I placed my cherry seed in the grass. The poet said that before 8 years he had placed meaning is sowed or planted. He has planted a cherry seed in the grass. Must have a tree of my own, I said, because the poet thought that he should have his own tree. And watered it once and went to bed and forgot. And daily the poet gave waters to it. But the poet didn't know that rather than the water, a plant or a cherry tree needs some more care. So without giving it other attention, without giving it special attention, just the poet gave waters and forgot about the tree. But cherries have a way of growing. But there is a special attention, there is a need of special care to grow the cherry tree. There is a special way to grow a cherry tree, though no one's caring very much or knowing, means without taking attention, without giving proper attention, without giving proper care, just he gave the water to it. But rather than this water, and suddenly that summer and near the end of May, but at the end of May in the summer season, the poet found a tree had come to stay. The tree or the plant had started growing. It was very small, 5 months child, lost in the tall grass running wild. And the poet saw that this plant which had started growing, it was very small and it was looking very small like a 5 months child among the adults. Same way the plant was looking among the wild grass, means the grass was taller than the plant. Goats ate the leaves. Even the poet saw that sometimes or once the goat had eaten the leaves of that plant. The grass cutter, scythe is a tool that is used for cutting the crops. Means the grass cutter had cut the leaves of the plant with its tool, split it apart. Split meaning is cut. That is grass cutter cut the leaves of the plant. And a monsoon blight. And even the plant has suffered with a disease. Blight meaning is a disease that kills plant. The plant has suffered with a disease also. Shriveled the slender stem. Even so, and even once the plant has become dried and wrinkled, or its stem become very thin. Next spring, means after facing these problems at once, eaten by the goat or grass cutter, cut the plant or suffered with a disease. But in the next spring, I watched 3 new shoots grow. But in the next spring season, the poet saw that after facing such problems, the plant has spread, or the 3 new branches had spread from the plant. The young tree struggled upward thrust, and the young tree even had faced problem, and it had pushed itself, its arms in the fresh fire's lust. Means the tree had pushed, thrust meaning is push, the tree had pushed its branches in an angry way and in the great need. Lust meaning is in the great need. Why it spread its branches? To get the light air and sun from the nature. I could only wait as one. Now the poet has no other option just to wait and to see how the plant become a tall tree. I could only wait as one who watched, wandering, while time and the rain made a miracle from green growing pain. And the poet just waited And wandering. Wandering meaning is moving here and there, means time to time he went and see the plant's growth. And he saw that with the passage of the time and with the rain from the nature, it made a miracle. Miracle meaning is remarkable event. And after facing the challenges, the plant had become a tree, or the plant had started growing. I went away next year, but in the next year the poet had to go to Kashmir for spending a season. Came back thinner, and when he returned from the Kashmir, he was looking weak, rather poor health, meaning is he was looking poor in the health, but richer by a cherry tree at my door. But as soon as he saw the cherry tree which had grown now at the entrance of his house, he became richer. Richer meaning is he became happy. 6 feet high, my own dark cherry. And now the tree had become 6 feet tall. And I could scarcely believe it, a berry ripened and jewelled in the sun. And the poet had saw that a berry meaning is a small fruit or a small cherry which had grown on the tree, and jewelled meaning is it was shining in the sunlight. Here jewelled meaning is shining or decorated with jewels, means the tree, the cherries had started growing on the tree. Hung from a branch, just one, and just one cherry was hanging with the branch of the tree. And next year there were blossoms, small, pink, fragile, quick to fall. And then in the next year, means 1 year, he had seen that the plant had grown into a 6 feet high tree, and the cherry had started growing. And in the next year the poet saw that various blossom meaning is flowers, which are of pink color, they had started growing, they had started coming on the tree. They were very fragile meaning is weak, quick to fall, and they could easily fall down at the merest breeze, the slippiest breeze. Slippiest meaning is slowest, breeze meaning is wind, merest meaning is smallest, means that even with the small or the slowest wind, the flowers could fall down. I lay on the grass at ease, and the poet lay down. Lay meaning is light. The poet lay down on the grass in the resting position in a relaxing way, looking up through leaves at the blue, and he started seeing towards the sky through the leaves, blind sky at the finches as they flew. And what he saw that in the sky or above the tree, the finches meaning is songbirds, they were flying and flitted meaning is moved through the dappled green, and they were moving among the leaves of the plant. Dappled meaning is marked with rounded patches, and these songbirds have the patches on their body, and they were moving around among the green leaves. While bees in an ecstasy meaning is with greatest happiness, the bees were drinking. The bees were drinking of nectar from each bloom. The bees were drinking the nectar. Nectar is a liquid which was secreted by the plants or the flowers. The bees were drinking that liquid from the flowers. And sun sank, and the sun was setting swiftly meaning is slowly, and the stars turned in the sky, and the stars started appearing in the sky. Turn meaning is appeared. And moon moths meaning is the green insects in the moonlight, and singing cricket is a insect. And I means the poet saw that the green insect or the cricket, they were singing over the tree. And I means the poet praised night and the stars and the tree, and the poet started praising the stars, tree and the night, beautiful night, that small the cherry grown by me. And he started praising the tree, that how it had grown from a small plant to a beautiful tree.